You've probably heard that JavaScript runs in the browser, but what does that actually mean? And why does all the languages like Python and TypeScript seem to all end up being JavaScript in the end? When we say JavaScript runs in the browser, it means literally. Browsers like Chrome, Safari, and Firefox have built-in JavaScript engines, and this is the only programming language they natively understand. So when you load a page in the browser, it reads the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Why does all languages like Python and TypeScript seem to all end up being JavaScript in the end? Well, here's what happens. They don't actually run in the browser. They're actually transformed or compiled into JavaScript before the browser runs it. And that's what tools like Webpack, Babel, and Vite do. They turn the code into something that the browser can understand. So not everything is JavaScript, but it all gets compiled into JavaScript eventually so that your browser can understand it. I've got a whole playlist full of explainers for beginners, so go check that out. But other than that, I'll see you next time. Babel. Babel? Babel. Vite. Vite.